Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Rell here. So today I'm bringing you guys a slightly different video than what I am usually doing on my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you what I kind of do with my hair and the products that I use when I'm washing my hair and the products I use after I wash my hair. I've been getting a lot of questions lately from some people, not necessarily social media, but just people in general, and sometimes even just off the street. Someone ran up to me one day, actually recently, and they were like, "Your hair, let's talk about it." And I'm like, yeah, sure, what do you want to know? And he was just asking me questions about what products I was using, what I was putting in it, because his hair was similar to mine, but his curl pattern was much tighter, and he wanted to know what kind of moisturizer I was using and stuff like that. And that kind of gave me an idea, like maybe I should do a video on it. I'm still fairly new to this natural hair journey myself. I cut my hair almost 11 months ago, and I've definitely changed up a lot of the products that I've used from when I first cut my hair to now. So I'm just kind of showing you guys what my current routine is. If you want to see what products I use when I wash my hair and what products I'm using once I'm finished washing my hair, then just keep watching. So the first thing I'm doing is picking out my hair. I'm using this Conair detangling comb, and I like to do this because usually when water touches my hair and I don't detangle it, it can get really matted and it hurts when I pull on it. So I like to do this first. After I wet my hair, I'm going to use the I Am Coconut Cowash, and I'm going to distribute this all over my hair. So I've stopped using shampoo for a little while now, and it's just mainly because shampoo can strip your natural oils from your hair. In my case, I want to keep my hair as hydrated as possible, and the co-wash is actually going to help do that. I also used to use Cantu. Well, I kind of do still use Cantu co-wash. I kind of go back and forth, but the thing with Cantu is it's not as much product as the As I Am, so I kind of save a little bit. I also use the co-wash on my daughter's hair, so it tends to run out a little faster. And I'm just going to continue to lather that into my scalp without scratching my scalp. So be careful if you have nails, guys. You don't want to scratch your scalp. Here I'm taking the detangling comb and I'm just combing my hair out with the co-wash in it. Then I'm taking the smaller detangling comb. I believe this is also Conair. I can't remember what exactly they call it. I think it's like a shampoo detangling comb, but I'm just going to smooth my hair out with this. So after I take my hair out my little turby twist, I'm going to apply the Shea Moisture Manuka honey and Mafura oil hair mask, and I'm going to distribute that all over my hair just as I did with the co-wash. And I'm just going to continue to work that through my hair, and then I'm going to take my detangling comb once again and just comb through it. Now I'm just putting on this heating cap, and I'm going to leave this on for about a half hour. So I washed out my hair mask, and I'm just dividing my hair with my fingers, and you can see how more defined my curls are. So then I'm just taking my Cantu Shea Butter leave-in cream, and I'm taking this spray bottle. I'm going to put just a little of the leave-in in the bottle. You don't want to put too much because then it would be too thick for it to spray out. And then I'm just going to spray it all over my hair and then work it in with my fingers. So next I'm taking my Cantu Coconut Curling Cream and my Eco Style Styling Gel, and I'm just mixing the two together and spreading that all over my hair. And just a side note, I only use a very little amount of the Eco Style Gel. So if you made it to the end of this video, I want to thank you guys for watching, and this is kind of what it's looking like right now. I still have like conditioner in there, you can see it. but it'll dry down. I would truly appreciate it if you guys subscribe to my channel. Listen, it's so easy, like it's just a click. Don't forget to like and comment down below and hit the bell icon for notifications. Hit the bell icon for notifications. But anyhow, I will see you guys in my next video.